Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect cursor to Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Roblox Studio and click on this AI agent icon. So once you do click on that, you'll be able to see a window appear. So you're going to click on the three dots and then you're going to click on Manage MCP Servers. Here, you're going to make sure to enable Studio as MCP server. Simply toggle this on. And then you're going to also toggle on the cursor. If you're not able to see the cursor option over here, you're going to simply open cursor, and as soon as you open cursor, you'll be able to see the option appear. So you're going to toggle it on. And as soon as you do so, you'll be able to see one client connected. So you're going to head over to cursor and simply type down your prompt. For example, I have typed down create a red brick inside my Roblox game. And then you're going to press enter and just wait for it to plan the moves and create the output for you. Once done, it's going to say done. So you're going to go to Roblox Studio, cross this down, and you'll be able to see the red brick has been added. Now, let's say if you wish to spin the brick, you're going to go back to cursor, simply type the prompt that make the red brick spin. Once done, you'll be able to see it says red brick now has a spin script that rotates at 90 degrees per second on the y-axis. Press play in Studio to see it spin. So we're going to go to Studio and click on this play button. So you're going to click on that and then you're going to wait a little in order to create a simulation. And now you can see the red brick is spinning right in front of you.